Today I will show you how you can go and take your existing Google site with ugly URL and change it to your custom domain by using Namecheap. This tutorial is very easy and you need only two things. First is a domain bought with Namecheap. If you don't have yet your domain, you can go and check this video where I will show you how to buy it and how to save the most amount of money. The second thing is gonna be your Google site. Don't forget, if you want to go and connect it, your site has to be published. So if you want to go, you can go and click on publish inside here and you will see it's already published. Now, if we want to go and connect it, we want to go and click on this gear icon. Inside here, we will go and locate custom domains. And here we want to go and click on connect domain. Inside here, we need to go and write the domain name we have. If I go back to my account, Namecheap account, I can see this is the domain name we want to go and use. So I'll just copy it and place it inside here. Now you can see that we have this error message. It's good that we see this because we need to go and verify that we own this domain. Because if I would put, for example, Amazon.com, Amazon probably doesn't want to be redirected in here. So we need to prove to Google site that we are the rightful owner. So to do it, click on verify your ownership and it will take us inside a Google Search Console. Inside here, we want to go with the first option, the domain. So I'll go and click on continue. This will go and generate us TXT record. Now this can look very intimidating. The only thing we need to go and do is copy this unique string of numbers, our key, and put it inside our domain. This will prove that we are the owner and we can use this domain. So let's do it. So what we need to do inside here is click on copy and go back to our account. Inside our account, we want to go to domain list. Here, find your domain that you want to go and connect and click on manage. Inside here, we want to go and locate advanced DNS. Click on it. And here we have two options inside here. You can see I just bought this account and I already have two pre-existing records inside here. Don't worry. Here we just need to go and click on the trash icon and delete both of those. So click on yes, delete record and yes, delete record. Now inside here, we want to go and click on add new record. Now this is going to be a TXT record. So we are searching for TXT record option inside here. Why? Well, because we can also see it inside this option for Google. Now, in terms of the host, we're just going to go and add value. Inside the value, I'm going to go and paste the long string of text that we have copied from inside here. And into time to live, we can go and keep it on automatic. Then simply click on this green check mark. And we can see we have verified. So now I just need to come back and click on verify. Now two things can happen. You can see that it still haven't gone through. Now this process can take between few minutes to even few hours. So you just need to go and wait. So now after a few seconds, I will click on OK. And once again, click on verify. And you can see it took only a few seconds to be done. Now we can see that the ownership of the domain is successfully verified. I can just go back into our site in here. Let's go back to the gear icon. Let's click on custom domain and let's click on connect domain. Here, once again, I'm putting the domain that we currently have and click on next. You can see we didn't get the alert this time. So now we just need to go and put another record in here. So this time we just come back. And once again, click on add new record. And inside here, we are looking for CNAME record. How do we know it? Because we can see it inside here as well. So I will just go and locate CNAME record. Inside host, we're going to put www. This is something that is also written inside here. So we are just copying what is in here. And in terms of the value, just copy this text. And into target, paste it in here. Once again, time to live, we can keep it automatic. And then just click on the green check icon. And now it is done. So in here, I simply need to come inside here and click on done. Now this is already connected. Be careful. To have this fully functional and to be able to go inside this site by using your domain can take between 1 to even 2 days. This process can take some time. So you just need to go and wait. But now, if I come back inside here and copy this link, put it into incognito mode, it is still not available. But if I come back here in a few hours, you're gonna see that it's actually live. This is me from another day, and I will go and test if it actually worked. So I will just go and click on the website that we built. And if I go to this link icon, it will go and show me my own personal domain link. So I will go and click on copy link. I will go to incognito mode and paste it in here. And we can see it's actually working and it has been connected successfully. If you want to know more about what you can do with Namecheap, feel free to go and check those tutorials inside here. This is everything from me. Have a nice day and goodbye.